Vertical Doors Inc., the #1 Lambo door manufacturer in the world.
I'm like the no cutting wires kind of guy, but the aftermarket wiring system, it was in the way. I couldn't get my hinge on without cutting it, so I had to cut it. And I had to go in and make sure that everything was working properly, getting that slack, getting it hit out of the way. I like to hide my wires, makes it look so much more OEM. It's really hard to do when there's other aftermarket goodies on there. But what a beautiful car. Yeah, that splash yellow Mustang did for the 2024, very nice. Here's our driver's side. All right, y'all. Take care. See you out there. God bless. Stay safe. Drive safe. Go vertical.
Vertical Doors' most popular kits are always in stock and ready to ship. Like, share, subscribe, and tag. Hundreds of models available. For sales and installation, please contact Vertical Doors Incorporated.